Welcome to the C301F13T04 Adventure App. To demonstrate the capabilities of our app, we will show a sample run through the application where we will touch on all the main features. To begin, we will start by logging in with my usual username. Here we can see a list of all the online stories saved in the server. To play a story, we'll select one from the list and it'll bring us to the story intro. From here, I'm going to download the story for later. This will save it to the cached story list on my phone. I can select it and play the story. In this story, I think I'll decide to wait. This fragment has multiple photos associated with it. I think I'll take the follower choice. After looking through all the choices, I decide to unlock the door. And I find Grom. This story seems unfinished. I'll go back to the online story and make a note of this so that the author can see it and finish it. Again, I select the story. I'll play the story so I can find a fragment and add an annotation to it. Here, I click the annotation button and I choose to enter a review for the story. I'll also add a photo to the annotation using the camera. Save this annotation, and now anyone can see it. If I want to add a fragment myself, click the add fragment button and enter the title and text. I'll add a fragment for the part that doesn't have any choices. Again, I'm going to take a photo and add to the story. I didn't like how that one turned out, so I can retake it. That one looks fine. So I add it to the story, and I'll save it. It looks like my offline story wasn't updated though, so I'll hit the sync button to update it with the server. Good, it should now have the changes. I think I'll add my own story based on this one. So I'll hit the new story button, enter a title and a synopsis. This story now appears in my stories list. If I want to add fragments to the story, I do the same thing I did before. Press the new fragment button and add the fragment body and title. Add one more so I have something to link it to. And I'll save that one as well. To link them together, I edit the first fragment and link it to the second. I enter a choice title, which will be displayed when in the choice list. Save the story. If I want to edit the fragment I created, I can select it from the fragment list and I'll add a profile picture to it. Here I can select it from my gallery from preset images. After saving it, I can view it again and now the profile picture will be changed. I'll upload this story so that people online can see it now. If I search for it in the online list, it should show up, and there it is. If I don't want to choose a story for myself, I can select a random one using the I'm Feeling Lucky button. Choose a random story and show it to me. Romance in Paris by Jean-Claude. Good choice. Next time we find out what happens with Jean-Claude and his exploits in Paris. Thanks for watching.